Hello students, it is the right time for us to learn few more words in Hindi as well as to understand their meaning in English and Khasi. To mentangi ni baik tu kat ni ktien haka Hindi ban ngan pynkylla syarah ktien Khasi ban English. Tu ngini pet mentai ke jengwat jengki kentien ki bangi pendan kam haka bayadai haka long yeng jongi lani hayeng hasan bat kumju ru bat parlong. So now let us learn few words which indicate the relationship among family as well as friends. Pila bani kani kadai ka long yeng ka badan ka tu ka ni ki brio ka long yeng ka English ni khot ka family mut ka long yeng family ka Hindi ni khot pariwar ka ba mut ka long yeng la ni ka family. Ya imei lan ye mei rat haka English ni khot grandmother but haka Hindi ni ong daddy pamut grandmother lan ye mei ya ipa lan ye parat haka English ni ong grandfather bamut pait lani parat but haka Hindi ni ong dada mut grandfather. Don kat tu kat ni nak pedeng jongi ki baju khot dad lani daddy ya ukpa ka jingmut ukpa haka English ni ong father kamut ukpa but haka Hindi ni ong bab haka Hindi father haka English. Pinyo kani ka kemi haka English ni ong mother and in Hindi mata mut ka kemi or mother. Do you want to learn some more, children? Well, let us have a look. Who are these two? These are the brother and sister. Kini kidei ki shipara ya ubah shipara ni ong brother haka ktien English but haka Hindi ni ong bahai. What is the meaning of bahai? Bahai means brother. Here you can see this little girl. In Khasi, sister means kapara. Ya kapara ni ong sister haktin English, but bahan haktin Hindi. Sister kamut bahan kabamut kapara. Now let us have a look at this family. Are we missing someone in this family? Who is it? Oh, it's a child. Kadang what child? Haka Khasi kadai ikalong. Ya ikalong ibadang red ni ong child. But haka Hindi ni ong bacha. Bacha means a child. Lani ikalong. Here we have aunt. Haka Khasi aunt một mena là nia mei san. Chỉ bằng jukat dia na là nia san. Aunt một na là nia san. But haka Hindi ni ong chachi. Chachi. Mday chachi. Chachi. Chachi means aunt. Here we have uncle. Uncle haka Khasi kamut mama là nia pasan. Mama là nia pasan haka English ni ong uncle. But haka Hindi ni ong chacha. Chacha means uncle. Chacha ketika ktien Hindi ya mama là nia pasan. Well done, students, you are doing well. Keep learning and keep practicing. Oh, who are these? These are your friends. Friends, haka ktien Khasi ni ong paralog. Paralog kideki friends. Haka ktien Hindi paralog ni ong dosto. Dosto means friends. Yes, dosto means friends. So my dear children, we have learned these few words which indicates the relationship among family members and friends. I hope you will keep in mind and keep learning. Thank you everyone. Bye. See you in the next video and remember to subscribe.